Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordington's in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2012 Volkswagen Golf 1.2 TSI. It's an S, finished in white with plastic trims on, absolutely immaculate condition, been incredibly well looked after. See, inside and out, brilliant condition. Space saver spare wheel as well underneath there. Really low miles for its age, just done over 38,000. Full service history as well, which is just makes this a real one-off. We have here aircon and radio display, lights there, front electric windows. Very good miles per gallon, cheap to insure, be ideal as a first time car, just a nice little run around. If you'd like to see it for yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.